In 5, 4, 3,
and
2, 1.
dissolve.
Send them.
With the steel that we created here, we birthed the most beautiful thing in the United States of America.
X marks the spot where Franco made the immaculate reception.
What's in the water that produces such great players?
The Yenza is a tough person.
Pittsburgh!
You play with swagger! You play with an edge! We are unleashing hell!
We stick together, we find a way to get it done.
Touchdown!
This is the football time.